Hello, this is Spider, a Python IDE, and I'm using Python version 3.8. So here I have don't install OpenCV and NumPy. I'm running this code and it will give me an error that no module name is CV2. It means that OpenCV is not installed here. Okay. So how to install OpenCV and NumPy? To install OpenCV you need to download a wheel file of OpenCV and NumPy also. So we have this link. I will give the link in the description below of this video. It will look like this, and you need to find NumPy. Press the Control and F button and type NumPy, and click on this NumPy and download NumPy according to your Python version. I have Python 3.8. You need to download 3.8 for 64-bit or 32-bit Windows. Okay, so you need to download this one. I have already downloaded it. I'm not going to download it again. Now here type OpenCV and click on this OpenCV and find for your version according to your Python. I have Python 3.8. I will search for 3.8 and 64-bit wheel file. We click on this. It will download for me. It will take some time. You need to wait for it. Now it is downloaded. Now open downloaded folder, and we have these two files. The one is OpenCV and second one is in NumPy. Now you need to open Anaconda Prompt, command prompt. Okay, type in the search box Anaconda. Right click on this and run as administrator. Here change the directory of the folder from system32 to downloads, where I have downloaded the NumPy and OpenCV. First copy a path of the folder, come here and type the command cd and Control V to paste the path and press the enter button. Now you are in the downloads folder. Now to install NumPy you need to type the command pip install num and press the tab button. It will automatically detect the NumPy. Okay, now press the enter button. It is installing NumPy for your Python. Okay, code version is successfully uninstalled. Now it will install the new version of NumPy. It will give you the error, but ignore this error, and it shows NumPy is already installed with the same version as provided wheel is for installed. Okay, now you need to install OpenCV. So type the command pip install OpenCV and press the tab button to automatically detect your wheel file. Then press the enter button. It will install wheel file of OpenCV for your Python. Now successfully installed OpenCV, you can see here. This is installed successfully. Now go to your Spider IDE. Try to run your code again here. Now run this. Boom. It is detected my face. The green A green square around my face is a face detection. Okay. So we have successfully detected our face. It will not quite from here. You need to click escape button to quit the code. Okay. So here it is the face detection, and in the next lecture we will uh, record our faces. Okay.